Hello friends, Rupesh here. What is that? And why it rolling back and forth though?
Because it's a science toy. So right now I am going to make one. Here's a tip: use dense heavy weight in the middle of rubber band so the performance of the toy will increase dramatically, and for the result just continue on the video. Before playing with it, let's look at some science behind it. And if you don't want to listen to the science, just keep to this time mark. From childhood, everyone knows that this toy works because of rubber band and weight inside of it. But as we grow, we get exposed to this topic. It works on law of conservation of energy. Physics. It just transfers energy from one form to another form.
From K to P or P to K.
But here's interesting thing, how it happens. To answer that question, we need to understand how rubber works. Basically, rubber is a elastic material. It's made up out of long chain polymers, just like this chain. When external load is applied, rubber band gets deformed and stores kinetic energy of external load in the form of potential energy inside the stretched polymers of it, and regains its original shape and size when load is removed. And that stretched molecules stores energy, basically potential energy, which is utilized to roll back the can. Let's just apply this theory to our practical rollback can. And if you are watching this video until this point, booping the like button will be amazing. So this is a can. This is a somewhat firmly connected rubber band which moves with the same velocity as the can. Also, we know that if we want to store energy in the rubber band, we need to have two opposite directional force acting on a rubber band. But here no opposite force is available. So for that we add weight in the middle which act as opposition force to the rubber band, and now we need to look at its working to get a full idea how it happens. As soon as can starts to rotate in one direction, rubber band also rotates but couldn't do so as opposition force is offered by the weight, and because of that rubber band starts to twist around itself and essentially stretching the polymer and storing the energy up till the point at which rolling motion of can is no longer able to move the can. Now stored energy from the rubber band comes into action. As it is in the unstable equilibrium, it starts to unwind in the opposite direction and transferring energy to the can. Can starts to rotate in backward direction, essentially returning to the original state. And this is how rollback can works. Now it's time to play with it. So I was playing with it and it's working like a charm until I pushed it too hard, and then you can see what happened. ए बाजूला करा यार त्याला.
In this clip, my neighbor's kid was playing with it and he was too happy to play with it. and he did same mistake that I have done in last clip.
परत येईल बघ तुझ्याकडे आता.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
Hope you have understand the science behind the rollback can. If you understand this video, then please make sure you like this video and share with your friends. One more thing is that there is affiliated link of Internshala in the description box below. Please do check it out, and that's it for today, and I will meet you in the next video. Bye bye.